What is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where your body has difficulty managing blood sugar or glucose, which is the main source of energy for your cells. Normally, the hormone insulin helps move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells, but with diabetes, this process doesn't work properly, causing blood sugar to stay too high. Over time, high blood sugar can damage your heart, blood vessels, nerves, kidneys, and more. There are several types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition where the body doesn't make insulin at all. It usually develops early in life, and people with type 1 need insulin every day. Type 2 diabetes, the most common form, here the body doesn't use insulin well, also known as insulin resistance, or doesn't make enough of it. It usually develops later in life and is strongly linked to lifestyle factors. But it also is very preventable and manageable with exercise, nutrition, and healthy habits. Prediabetes, a warning stage before type 2. Blood glucose levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be considered diabetes. Gestational diabetes. This develops during pregnancy and usually goes away afterward. However, it raises the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. How common is diabetes? Well, in the US, about 37.3 million people, that's around 11% of the population, have diabetes. Type 2 makes up 90 to 95% of all cases. Globally, about 537 million adults live with diabetes, and that number is projected to reach 643 million by 2030 and 783 million by 2045. How is diabetes diagnosed? A healthcare provider will use blood tests to check your glucose levels. A fasting blood glucose test measures blood sugar after not eating or drinking except water for at least 8 hours. A random glucose test, a random blood glucose test, can be done at any time, regardless of meals. And an A1C HbA1c test shows your average blood sugar over the past 2 to 3 months. For gestational diabetes, doctors use an oral glucose tolerance test during pregnancy. For more information on how to keep your heart healthy, curated exercises, and heart healthy recipes, download the Hubl Habit app, and let's make heart health habitual.